Hey guys, Dr. Better here, physical therapist, and today I want to talk about what shoes you're wearing. It's really good to actually mix up your shoes, and I'm going to tell you why today. So as you guys are wearing your shoes, everyone's going to have a different type of gait pattern, stride pattern. Some people are going to be putting a lot of their weight on the side of their foot, on the lateral aspect, the medial aspect. Some people might be going heavy on the heel, up on the toe. Some people might be more of a toe walker. And one way that you can really understand how you guys are walking is if you take off your shoe and you look at it. So here's one of my shoes. It is my right shoe, and if you guys look at it, you guys are going to notice how it's being worn. So you guys can look at this one, right? It's my right shoe. So if we flip it over, you guys can see how I'm walking on more of the lateral aspect of my foot, right? So when I'm walking, I'm putting a lot more weight on the outside, right? On the outside as I'm coming in, I'm walking through. Now what this does is that it's causing a wear pattern in my shoe, so it's going to wear down that side more, so it's going to start wearing it down more and more and more. And if I keep wearing those shoes, or if I keep wearing the same shoe consistently, day in and day out, it's also going to affect my knees over the long term. And that's why it's important to change out shoes periodically. You don't have to get rid of them. I don't get rid of these guys. I've had these guys for a long time. But it's good to mix it up. So I have these shoes, I have some tennis shoes, I have some loafers, I have some flip-flops. And you guys want to make sure that you kind of keep mixing up every other day at least, wearing different shoes, and so that your joints stay healthy and it's able to help up and down the chain. Now you guys know. Have a good one.